Thank you for talking to ABC Live, sir. First of all, when did your state sign the Memorandum of Understanding with NRHM?
29th November 2005.
So, why NRHM or National Rural Health Mission is needed in your state?
Mainly in Chandigarh, is 30 lakh population is there, and 3 lakh population live in slum. To reduce the IMR and MMR, this rural health mission is needed, and more so to provide accessible, affordable, and equitable health care facilities to the vulnerable section of the society, mainly slums.
So, what is the NRHM setup of your state?
This health secretary, special secretary health, and mission director, then nodal officer, NRHM, and then SPMU unit. That's
So, what about the number of ASHA, number of Rogi Kalyan Samitis formed, and number of IPHS elevated sub-centers?
in Chandigarh, it's a non-ASHA state. And in Chandigarh, Anganwadi workers are being used as link workers. Here, one Rogi Kalyan Samiti is at district hospital and two Rogi Kalyan Samiti at CHC level. An upgradation of two CHCs are in progress. One civil dispensary being upgraded to PHC.
How Panchayati Raj institutions or PRIs are contributing their roles in implementation of NRHM, and how you're trying to build capacity among them to take responsibility of managing public health affairs as NRHM desires.
Untied funds have been, VHSC have been formed, village health sanitation committees, where 10,000 rupees have been released to each village health sanitation committee, and 22 village health sanitation committees have been formed. And in every village, the village health nutrition day is celebrated on every last Friday, on last Friday of every month. In this, various health related problems are being dealt with, and there is Swasth Manch for intersectoral convergence of 4 departments: health, rural development, sanitation, and AIDS. They all work concurrently to solve for various IEC activities and solve the health related problems.
So, what is the budget outlay of NRHM of your state? Do you think it is sufficient for your state, district, and village health plans?
Outlay 15.14 crore is there, and it's as per demanded in the PIP. Sufficient budget is there.
So, you think it is sufficient?
It's as demand is there, whatever is demanded, the central government has given that.
ASHA is an agent of public awareness in NRHM about health services rendered by health department in rural areas. How ASHA workers are doing their roles, bridging communication gap between ruralities and department in your state?
Chandigarh is non-ASHA state. In Chandigarh, we are utilizing Anganwadi worker as link workers.
So, what quantitative and qualitative change in rural health service delivery has come after implementation of NRHM in your state?
The infrastructure of the hospitals had developed, and the power of taking decision have been decentralized. And with this, the constitution of Rogi Kalyan Samitis in the district and CHC level, the hospital in charge can take decision with, at their level. Whereas previously they they have to get for various financial needs, they have to get sanction from higher authorities. In this, they can utilize the Rogi Kalyan Samiti can improve the health facilities as such. Infrastructure in our one CHC, which was 50 bedded, it's being upgraded to 100 bedded hospital, and another 22 hospital that is being upgraded to 50 bedded hospital, and one in sector 45, this polyclinic was there, that is being upgraded to CHC level.
So, how your organization work to make awareness of Charter of Patients' Rights amongst its users in ruralities?
VHSC boards has been displayed in all the villages. VHSC booklets have been printed in English, Hindi, Punjabi, and distributed. RKS charter has been displayed in all the hospitals.
Any other achievements of your department?
In this, we are this project foundation and Swasth Manch, Project Udhar, and Project Mashal and Project Dalees, various programs have been launched for this improvement of health services in this slum areas and villages. Project Dalees, in for adolescent health, IC activities are covered, and various meetings are held and workshops are held to improve the knowledge among adolescents regarding this adolescent health. And in Project Mashal, various IC activities are being carried out to save the girl child, to increase the awareness among the masses for this purpose. And in Project Udhar, there is it's a slum intervention basically. In this two ANMs, one unit is made of two ANMs, two MPHW and one LHV. They go and stay in a particular village for the whole 8 to 2 and find out any unimmunized children, and they immunize there and then. And any antenatal work which is required and any antenatal work they do, all the health related activities they carry out. And in Swasth Manch intersectoral, which I already told, intersectoral convergence is there with 4 departments, AIDS, rural sanitation, or health related programs are being carried. Like RNDCP, blindness, they have adopted one village and they carry out their program in that.
Thank you so much for talking to us, sir. Thank you.